Okay, good morning everybody. I'm actually right now bringing Hannah some paper towels because we've got ourselves a egg washing station because we have so many eggs that need to be cleaned right now. So the first part of our little station is this thing. What is this thing?
I have no idea. A bowl where you scrub and rinse the eggs out.
Yeah. And this is where we're storing all our dirty eggs because they're dirty. See?
Are you going to play next?
And this is the drying and packing station from the looks of things. What are you doing? You a ninja? But that's not all that's new to this farm. Just a week ago, we got these girls. These are our pigs. I think right now their names are Pinky and Spotty. I'm not entirely sure yet. But they're adorable. And dirty. So they live in this dog cage. They were here last week. We got them about a week ago. They're still young pigs. And their shelter is made out of the most interesting thing you might ever see. Maybe. I don't know. It's made of this TPO for roofing, and inside for the framing it's one of those bars that you'd use to keep your kids in bed. But we took all the cloth off of it and used it for their shelter. Hey piggies! See if they'll come up to us. Hey pig, 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 pig! Hey. They're still really shy. They're getting more and more friendly every day. I didn't show the chores because I didn't know I would be filming today. But then Mom told me, hey, go get the GoPro. The girls are setting up the egg station and I still haven't filmed a single video on those pigs. So I'm sorry I didn't get the chores recorded.
Ooh, there's a double yolk in this. How do you know? Because I shook it.
You can hear yolks. What you making, Lilia?
Strawberry sherbet.
Lily comes to us and says, there's a creature with 8 legs and is fuzzy in the kitchen.
It's a tarantula.
And yes, it is a tarantula.
A baby tarantula.
With one thing, I remember Julia when she was really little. It's just right here. I remember Julia when she was really little, she saw a tarantula as big as Dad's hand in the middle of the floor, like right there. No, it was right here.
Where? I can't
Right here?
Yeah, I was like,
It's just a little guy. It's just a little guy.
Where?
Right here.
See? Okay. Why is that in my kitchen?
Because it wants to be. I'll get a broom.
But how did you? I was about to say.
Did it get its battle pose? No.
Here.
Take the camera. See if we just climb on it. Here, get on, buddy.
Oh gosh. Whoa. Okay.
You guys are as cooperative.
Okay. We need to You get out of my kitchen. Go this way.
Here, somebody
do
tap it.
not climb on me.
Somebody tap it so it can climb on my broom.
Attack it.
Tap it.
Get another broom.
Okay, I'm gonna take this guy out to the field so he can live a good life out there. Mom was really freaking out because of you. It's in strike pose, so if I got any closer, it would probably bite me. There you go, little guy. A safe place that you can call home. Bye-bye. Hannah, you want to take the first jump?
No.
No. Look how nice the pool looks. Yeah, it's recording.
I
I'm totally trying to get my thumb in here. Hey.
Here we go. Is it cold? Don't do it. You don't want me. It's an ice block. Great, now I'm scared to jump in the pool. All right.
I don't want to get my bottom wet.
Why don't you?
I'm going to get my because it's really on. Let me get my